Alma, and welcome to our math class. Today, I will guide you how to determine the inverse of a given function. Before we discuss further, let's take a look at this video. The video shows that there are two boys walking on the street. Boy 1 is going to the north, and boy 2 is going to the south. This video represents an inverse function. What is an inverse function? Inverse functions, the relation formed when the independent variable is exchanged with the dependent variable in a given function. We are going to change f of x to y and interchange the position of x and y. Remember, the inverse of a function may not always be a function. Let's have an examples for ordered pairs. Find the inverse of the given ordered pairs 2, 0, 3, negative 1, 4, 0, and 5, 4. We're going to interchange the position of your x and y. So we have now the answer. The inverse of the given ordered pairs are 0, 2, negative 1, 3, 0, 4, and 4, 5. For mapping diagram example, we have A is mapped to 3, B is mapped to 1, and C is mapped to 2. For the inverse, we have now 1 is mapped to B, 2 is mapped to C, and 3 is mapped to A. So we interchange the position of your x and y. Let's have an example for linear function. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to x minus 4. We have 4 steps to follow. Step 1, replace the f of x to y. So we have now y is equal to x minus 4. Step 2, interchange x and y. So we have x is equal to y minus 4. Step 3, solve the new y from the equation in step 2. So we have now negative y is equal to negative x minus 4. Step 4, replace the new y with the inverse function. Before we do that, let's multiply first. Negative y is equal to negative x minus 4 to negative 1. So we have now y is equal to x plus 4. So therefore, the inverse of f of x is equal to x minus 4 is equal to x plus 4. Let's have example number 2. Find the inverse of f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. First, replace f of x to y. So we have now y is equal to 2x plus 3. Then, interchange x and y. So we have now x is equal to 2y plus 3. Then, solve the new y from the equation in step 2. We have now negative 2y is equal to negative x plus 3. Then, replace the new y with the inverse function. But before we do that, let's divide first both sides by negative 2. Then, we're going to cancel negative 2 in y. So we have now y is equal to negative x plus 3 over 2. Then, the inverse function now is equal to negative x plus 3 over 2. Since you know already how to determine the inverse of the given function, let's now do this matching me activity. You are given 5 seconds to answer. For number 1, letter B. You're correct.
Wow!
Number 2, letter R. Number 3, letter A. And number 4, letter B. And number 5, letter O. Marvelous! You formed the word bravo. Give yourself a big clap. Before we end up this lesson, always remember that humility is the inverse of arrogance. So let's remain humble because humility coupled with fear of the Lord is rewarded with riches, honor, and longer life.
Now go